Hey guys, this is Mr. Carpenter. We're looking at how to plot a point on a graph. So right here we have the question, plot the point -6, 3. Now, what I want y'all to remember is that this right here is a coordinate. When we see these parentheses and these two numbers separated by a comma, that's a coordinate. Now, a coordinate is simply two numbers that tell us the location on our Cartesian plane. Remember, we can also call a coordinate an ordered pair because we put this in order of our x and y. This is the x value and the y value of a single point. Remember, this makes a single point, not two different points. So what is it referencing as far as the x and the y? Well, our x value here is -6. So if I look at my x-axis and I come all the way over here to -6, okay, this is the first value I need to look at, right? -6. Then I'm going to look at my y-axis. That's this axis right here, the one that goes up and down. My y value is going to be 3, right? So I'm looking at this value here. Now, if I follow this grid line all the way across, and my grid line here at the -6, and I go all the way up, what I'm looking for is right there where those two numbers intersect, where 3 on my y-axis and -6 on my x-axis, where they intersect. This tells me the point, the coordinate of that point. So I will turn off my pencil tool here, and I can look right here at 6 and come up 3, and I can plot my point. That would be how I do that. Now, I'm not going to submit that yet. If we look on our NumWorks calculator, if we go to the grapher, hit over once to the grapher, say OK, I can tell it to add an element. Anytime I want to add a point, I can enter it in the same way that it shows right here. Parentheses, -6, comma, 3, comma. On my calculator, I can put parentheses, -6, comma, 3, parentheses. I'll tell it OK. Notice it tells me this is a point. And so if I go down to plot graph, it's going to put that at -6 and 3. Now, I know our graph is kind of hard to see here, so I'm going to go up here and tell it to do auto. You'll notice that now I can see my y-axis and my x-axis. Now right here I have -4 and -8 and no numbers in between that are showing. I can tell that I'm right between that, which the number between -4 and -8 is -6. If I want to zoom into that on the calculator, I can come up to navigate right here. I do that by hitting up and then over to navigate. I'll tell it OK. Notice my zoom plus or minus, so zoom in or zoom out, and then my arrows that allows me to pan or move around the screen. I can move right to left, up, or down, and I can zoom in, and now I can see that -6. If I zoom in again a couple times, I can see my 3. So let me come down here. Now I can see my x-axis and my y-axis. Now here's that 3. Let me show you that. Right, here's that 3 right here. It will let me draw it. I don't know if it's going to let me. Let me draw that 3. Well, there's the 3 and the -6. And we can see where they intersect on the grid.